Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat ke Jylla UCHBJ Shankar ula Pyntian Smai ya ke Justice Rivati Prashan Mohiti Dere kum ka Chief Justice Thymmai jong ke Meghalaya High Court Halok Bhavan henne ke sni kashphotre ukalalingkat arhajara punriu ka Justice Rivati kan shimti kum ka Chief Justice Thymmai hadin ba Chief Justice Soman Sen ula shapan kan kam kum Chief Justice jong ke Kerala High Court ka Chief Justice ka Rivati Menchua kadai kanong bishar Habombe High Court.
President of India to hereby appoint Srimati Justice Revati Prashant Mohitere, Judge of the Bombay High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the day she assumed charge of the office. Giving up Rashtra Property, Bhavan, New Delhi, this first day of January in the year 2026, in the 76th year of the Republic of India. I'll now read the notification. Notification number K13034/04/2025 US 1/2 Roman, Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Srimati Justice Revati Prashant Mohitere, Judge of the Bombay High Court, to be Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court, with effect from the date she assumed charge of her office, consequent upon transfer of the incumbent Chief Justice. May I request the Honorable with the Honor to administer the oath of office to Honorable Ms. Justice Revati Prashant Mohitere, Chief Justice Designate and the Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya.
I, Revati Prashant Mohitere, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I now request Honorable the Chief Justice to make and subscribe to the oath.